Wow, Tokyo Tower. Check that out. This is Ginza Six. Hey, I'm TokyoPaul. We're gonna walk around Ginza Six and see what's inside. Alright, let's go inside. Valentino's to left. Inside Ginza Six. Mostly full of luxury shops. Some I recognize, some I don't. Let's go upstairs. There's a basement too, beauty and cosmetics. And some, snacks and gifts on like the B2 level. Bulgari's on this level. Here's good. It's nice music playing in the background.
Yeah.
Chill music. And they've got interesting art pieces every time. Maybe once a quarter, every 3 or 4 months. It changes. That's just my guess. Every couple of months the art changes. Let's go upstairs if we can. Here on the next floor, third floor, we have Vivian Westwood. Oh, this shop is pretty popular. Oh, it's a perfume store? Ooh. Check out the view from the third floor. Vivian Westwood. Nice lounge chair. There's stairs too. You didn't see the stairs before? Yeah. There's stairs as well as escalators. So, when did this mall open? 2 years ago?
No, like
5 years ago? It's pretty, feels pretty new though. Sometime around Y3 from Adidas, I think there. I want to go upstairs now. I want to see all the other floors, including the roof park. And the top floor is a bookstore, so you can look forward to that. Also some pop-up shops. Fabio, Japan. They have a Halloween Christmas tree. The Christmas tree with Halloween decorations. Fabio's a sock shop. And it's all over Japan. More jewelry. So perfume, jewelry shops that probably have some steep real estate or rental costs. This is the fourth floor. The view from here is pretty cool because you can see from top down. Also, a lot more sofa space. If you get lucky, you can sit. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. 3 people riding a carpet. Oh, I wanted to say magic carpet. That reminded me of Aladdin. All right, I'm just zipping by. This is a clothing brand called Adore. 4th floor still. Japan denim. Oh, I heard that's famous. I watched some YouTube videos about it. It's very expensive. Wow, that does look cool. Japan denim. It's the clothing for the whole family. That's already got. Let's go upstairs. Oh, let me show you the hat shop one sec. This is another perspective. Let's go. Is this the top floor? Oh, we're going to the 5th floor. Almost, but not yet. Oh, we got Briefing Golf. There's no golf. Right. It's called G4. There's a lot of golf shops here. And Converse Tokyo. I know they have another shop in Shibuya. Oh, Arc'teryx. Hopefully I said that right, guys. That brand is hard to say. Oh, this could be a bench floor, yeah. A lot of brands that look like 0.9. Did I say that right? So this is the 5th floor. I think I'm gonna go up because I want to see. Oh, can't go up and sit that way, huh? Yeah, going up the other side. So that was my mistake. Let's keep going. Speaker shop called The Violet. Look at these speakers. They move. And they look like alien technology. That probably is totally copyrighted. But that's a really weird looking speaker. So I had to show it. Probably. Still going down. Whoa. 0. Looks like luggage. Oh, and there's a Leica shop. A famous cameras. That's like $2,000. Easy. Leica shop. Now I want to go up. Finally found up. 6th floor, restaurant floor. And one view from here looks like this. 6th floor is the bookstore. I think, yeah. Style Books. And the restaurant floor. And hopefully we have time to take you to the park upstairs. Let's go into the... Oh, there's a Starbucks up here. Whoa, Starbucks with books. It's really stylish. This is one of those reserve. This is Starbucks Reserve. Wow, that's nice. This is very stylish. Probably because it's Starbucks Reserve. Art gallery. This is not your typical bookstore. It's very stylish. How do we go up? We'll find the up.
Oh, no more escalators.
Nah. This is a very chill bookshop. It's very unique looking bookshop. They've got art on display. Looks like a museum. There's one tall piece of art. These look beautiful. Is it this way? Oh, rice crackers? Beautiful rice crackers. They're going for almost $30. Rice crackers, they go with tea. Oh, look, a very unique Mount Fuji painting. Oh, I could get that. Pretty pretty. Yeah. I want to see the park. Check out the park, guys. Where is the park? Oh, take the escalator. We're gonna take the escalator to the park. Let's go up. We're here at the roof. So come to the roof floor. And this is the Ginza Six garden on the roof. It's really nice. Check this out. Yeah, a DJ here. Okay. You can see here, right here on the rooftop. We're right here on the roof.
Far away.
Check out all these. Wow, Tokyo Tower. Check that out. We're here in Ginza 6 at the Rooftop Garden.